I know everyone hates me. I'm all alone at school. I don't have much friends. And I get mocked a lot. And it's okay. I mean, it's okay to understand it. You need to remember that they're hating you from their perspective, not yours. They hate me for who I am, and from my perspective, I expect love, support, or good friendship at school. But no one talks to me. I'm all alone. But that's okay, because if I were those people, if I were them with that same personality and view and past, I would obviously see someone like myself differently. This is a philosophy wherein to constantly remind yourself that people often judge you by where they are raised from and how they see life as. Others hate me because of what they see from their perspective, but they don't know what's inside me. They don't know me, and I also don't know them. I also don't understand them, and I also don't know what's inside them. And this is a true thing. But one thing you need to remember is that no matter how much hate you get, just remember that it's from their perspective. Not saying hate is okay. Setting boundaries is actually okay. And there are some disturbances right here. No big fan. Fan? Running big fan.
बिग फ्यान म चाहिँ दाइको बिग वाला बडा वाला फ्यान ल ल कुद्नु त्यहाँ ल तपाईँ के भन्नुहुन्छ
Right.